Alright, here's how to automate link placements in SEO blog article. So what you need to do is you need to use a tool like Arval. So here you can input a keyword and you can generate an entire article. But before you generate an article, it's just going to take you into the landing page, which is called inputs. And here you can customize the whole lot of inputs. So example, I can click on edit input, and here I can go into the structure, and here I can automate the call to action link. And then we have got the internal link. I can simply input the internal link of my domain, sitemaps of my domain, or whatever the URLs which I want specifically every blog to internal link. So I'm just gonna put in the sitemap and let AI Arrow just gonna decide what to be. I can also add and also external links. I can include external sources, exclude external sources, and I can include manually. And we even got the automatic external link fetch. So this is how you automate link placements in SEO blog article.